Here I've got Qilive 5039D, and let me show you how to add picture to a contact on the following device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, then select the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to, in my case it's Ronnie, and then click on edit icon. Select the camera right here, and you can either take a photo if someone is staying right in front of you, or you can choose one from the gallery, and this is what I would pick right now, and just pick if you would like to use gallery or photos app. Let me choose photos. And let's pick the picture that you would like to add to this contact. Now you can crop it by using one of those applications, just pick the one that you like the most, customize the picture, tap on confirmation mark, and then one more time click on confirm to save the changes. That's it. As you can see, from now on this new profile picture is added to this contact, and whenever Ronnie will be calling you, you will be able to see this picture at first. So this is it. That would be all. This is how you can add profile picture to contact. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and please do thumbs up.